Kamusta? Have you ever heard the phrase, nothing is certain in life except for death and taxes? Well, it's true. But the good news is, you can control how much you pay in taxes. Understanding taxation is the key to maximizing your income and avoiding any penalties or fines. Dito kasi sa Pilipinas, there are several tax laws and regulations that you should be aware of. Una, dapat alam mo ang tax identification number or TIN mo. Ito kasi yung gagamitin mo in all transactions with the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR. Pangalawa, mahalaga din na alam mo yung different types ng taxes na kailangan mong bayaran. Siyempre, kabilang na dito yung income tax, value-added tax, and capital gain tax. Mahalaga din na alam mo yung different tax rates, yung exemptions and deductions that you may be eligible for to reduce your tax burden. Mahalaga din na i-keep mo yung mga accurate records ng income and expenses mo, as well as any receipts or invoices related to your business or employment. This will help you in case of an audit or when you file your annual tax returns. Na-overwhelmed ba kayo with all this information about taxations? Don't worry, I'm here to help. I can refer people who do taxations for a living. They will guide you in navigating law, tax law, and regulations in the Philippines. As a financial advisor, I can help you create a comprehensive financial plans that takes into your account or your tax obligations. Don't wait until it's too late. Book a call with me today. Just scan the QR code presented in the screen and let's talk about how you can minimize your tax burden and achieve your financial goals. Watch my video number 12. Time to crush those big expenses. See you!